One thing to think about for a couple of different reasons are stumps that you might have throughout your site. One reason you might want to consider them is for mop-up. So stumps tend to actually smoke and hold flames for a lot longer than some of your fine fuels. Even if you can't actually see the flames, it could still be smoking from underneath. Sometimes it actually gets down into the roots. And so you want to make sure that if you see any stumps, that you either put some sort of mineral soil or water to put those stumps out before you leave the site for the day. You also want to consider stumps as a safety consideration, because if the fire and the smoldering does actually go down into the roots, it can create holes in the grounds, which then become chirp hazards. And then finally, if possible, you want to keep your stumps in place, because they actually become excellent hibernacula for some species of reptiles and amphibians and other ground-dwelling wildlife. During this particular burn, we had a couple of different stumps that we needed to put out during mop-up. Before we left the site, we wanted to make sure that those stumps were out entirely, and then that there wasn't going to be a chance of them flaring back up later after we had left the site.